Hello, atong i-try ng glutathione nga Kibi Advanced Formula. I don't know kung familiar mo ani nga glutathione. Before I have used Relumens, itong ka Alden Richards nga snow caps. So let us document how far this is going to be effective on my skin. Ay, this actually came as a free sample along with my other glutathione that has melatonin. Ni siya. Kasi glutathione at the same time, nasa siya melatonin pang patulog. Kini, I'm gonna be using it in the morning and then this will be used in the evening. Nasa siya ay alpha-lipoic acid, L-cysteine, and AC, which is a form of glutathione, and also and rose hips and Sakura extract. Yes, yes, Sakura. So, this is the packaging. You're going to twist it. Ah, charias. And then, ta-da! That's a beautiful gold, what do you call this? Design. This is 800 pesos, while this one is 1,500. Ana man gyud na quality comes with the price. Kung magpalit kag barato, barato mo na pud ing resulta sa imong dagway. Magpalit kag tagtuloy dos, imong nang tagtuloy dos ra pod. And then glutathione has to be paired up with vitamin C para mas ganang yung effect kay kung may vitamin C, because vitamin C is also an antioxidant and it stimulates production of collagen. It will tell your body to produce more collagen if you ingest vitamin C. If you're someone who does not eat a lot of vitamin C rich food, you better take vitamin C supplements. Kung baka rin bugok ka ng itlog, mahog yun. Legit yun na siya glutathione. It's a legit glutathione. Good luck sa mga kidney. And I'm going to take also my pumpkin oil, flaxseed oil, and saw palmetto for boost of mabaga ang hair. And then vitamin C, the last one. Ano yung abot of 4,000 grams? Kaya ang limits atong kan is 4,000 grams man. Inom na daghang tubig. Just like vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamins. Don't worry of getting kidney stone. So that's it. Atong tanawon og gwapa bagid ang panumar kay sus Lord ang investment. Bye.